Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
A team mapping radio waves in the universe has discovered something unusual that releases a giant burst of energy 3 times an hour, and it's unlike anything astronomers have seen before. The team who discovered it think it could be a neutron star or a white dwarf, collapsed cores of stars, with an ultra-powerful magnetic field. Spinning around in space, the strange object sends out a beam of radiation that crosses our line of sight, and for a minute in every 20, is one of the brightest radio sources in the sky. This object was appearing and disappearing over a few hours during our observations, she said. That was completely unexpected. It was kind of spooky for an astronomer because there's nothing known in the sky that does that. And it's really quite close to us, about 4,000 light-years away. It's in our galactic backyard. The object was discovered by Curtin University honors student Tyrone O'Doherty using the Murchison Wide Field Array (MWA) telescope in outback Western Australia and a new technique he developed. It's exciting that the source I identified last year has turned out to be such a peculiar object, said Mr. O'Doherty, who is now studying for a PhD at Curtin. The MWA's wide field of view and extreme sensitivity are perfect for surveying the entire sky and detecting the unexpected. Objects that turn on and off in the universe aren't new to astronomers, they call them transients. She said the mysterious object was incredibly bright and smaller than the Sun, emitting highly polarized radio waves, suggesting the object had an extremely strong magnetic field. But nobody expected to directly detect one like this because we didn't expect them to be so bright. Somehow it's converting magnetic energy to radio waves much more effectively than anything we've seen before. Dr. Hurley-Walker is now monitoring the object with the MWA to see if it switches back on. If it does, there are telescopes across the southern hemisphere and even in orbit that can point straight to it, she said. Dr. Hurley-Walker plans to search for more of these unusual objects in the vast archives of the MWA. Key to finding this object, and studying its detailed properties, is the fact that we have been able to collect and store all the data the MWA produces for almost the last decade at the Pazzi Research Supercomputing Center. There are, no doubt, many more gems to be discovered by the MWA and the SCA in coming years. The Murchison Wide Field Array is located on the Murchison Radio Astronomy Observatory in Western Australia. The observatory is managed by CSIRO, Australia's national science agency, and was established with the support of the Australian and Western Australian governments. We acknowledge the Wajari Yamatji as the traditional owners of the observatory site. The Pazzi Supercomputing Research Centre in Perth, a Tier 1 publicly funded national supercomputing facility, helped store and process the MWA observations used in this research. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.